Hey everyone, and welcome back to Unlocking the Wealth Code. Ever wonder how your grandparents seem to have all this fun stuff, like beach trips and world travels after they stopped working? Maybe you've heard grown-ups talk about something called retirement savings, but it all sounds confusing. Well, guess what? It doesn't have to be. Disclaimer: we're all about empowering you with financial knowledge, but we do not give personalized advice. This video will make some overall suggestions. Always do your own research. Consider us your friendly co-pilot on your retirement treasure hunt. Today, we'll talk about 5 super simple steps to take charge of your money and build a treasure chest that keeps on growing. So, are you ready to become a retirement rock star? Let's dive in. Step 1. Money Daredevil or Money Cat. Which one are you? Consider this. Your money embarks on a treasure hunt. Are you the adventurous explorer, comfortable with occasional bumps in pursuit of a grand treasure chest? Alternatively, are you the cautious cat, more inclined towards a smaller yet certain treasure? This is akin to your money personality. To understand it better, there are engaging quizzes available on investor.gov. Step 2. Picking your retirement piggy bank. Think of your retirement savings like a piggy bank, but for grown-ups. There are 2 different piggy banks you can choose from, and it depends on what you want to do with your money now and later. The first piggy bank is called a traditional IRA. This one lets you put money in without paying taxes right now, but you will have to pay taxes when you take the money out later in retirement. The second piggy bank is called a Roth IRA. This one is a little different. You pay taxes on the money you put in now, but the cool thing is you won't pay taxes when you take the money out later in retirement. It's like a tax-free surprise party for your future self. The IRS website, like the place where grown-ups keep track of taxes, has a section that explains these 2 piggy banks in more detail. We'll put a link to it in the video description below. Step 3. Plant a money seed and watch it grow. Imagine planting a magic seed that grows into a giant money tree. Even a small seed, if you water it every day, can turn into something amazing. This is like investing. Start with a small amount of money, like your allowance, and put it away in your investment account a little bit at a time, every month. The more you water it, the bigger your money tree will grow over time. Most banks and investment apps let you set up something called automatic transfers. This is like setting a sprinkler for your money seed. You tell the app how much money you want to add each month, and it automatically moves it from your regular spending money to your investment account. Easy peasy. Places like Fidelity and Vanguard make this super simple. Step 4. Don't put all your birthday cake sprinkles in one spot. Imagine a yummy birthday cake. You wouldn't want all the sprinkles to be clumped together in one spot, would you? It's more fun to have them spread out everywhere. This is like investing your money. Instead of putting all your money on just one company, like picking a single sprinkle color, you can spread it out among many different companies. This is called an index fund. Kind of like a big box of all the best sprinkles. These index funds follow a special list of companies, so your money isn't all in one place. This helps keep things less risky. Just like having all the sprinkles spread out makes your cake look cooler. And the best part? These special sprinkle boxes, index funds, usually don't cost much at all. Step 5. Keep your money seesaw level. Imagine a seesaw at the playground. For it to be fun, you need both sides to be balanced, right? This is like your investment account. Over time, your money might get a little unbalanced. Some of your investments, like growth stocks, might grow faster than others, like safe bonds. This is okay, but if one side gets too heavy, it can be a bumpy ride. To keep things fun, we need to adjust the seesaw sometimes. This means selling a little bit of the investments that have grown a lot, like taking a kid off the heavy side of the seesaw, and using that money to buy more of the ones that haven't grown as much, like adding a kid to the lighter side. This way, the seesaw stays level, and your money is happy. We can adjust this seesaw once a year, or maybe twice a year, to keep things balanced. It's like making sure your playground fund stays safe and even. There you have it. These 5 super simple steps are like your secret code to becoming a retirement rock star. Remember, Number 1. Figure out your money personality, brave explorer or cautious cat. Number 2. Pick your grown-up piggy bank, traditional or Roth IRA. Number 3. Plant a money seed and watch it grow with automatic transfers. Number 4, spread your money out like sprinkles, not all in one place, something like index funds. Number 5, keep your money seesaw balanced for a smooth ride. By following these steps, you could be well on your way to building a nest egg that keeps on growing and helps you achieve all your retirement dreams. In the description below, we've linked to some helpful resources, like fun quizzes to discover your money personality and more information about IRAs and index funds. Remember, saving for retirement is a marathon, not a sprint. But with a little focus and discipline, you can reach the finish line and enjoy all the amazing adventures that await you. And remember, every journey starts with a single step. There's no time like the present to take control and carve your path towards a secure financial future. Every little step you take counts towards achieving your retirement goals. Let's conquer this journey together, one step at a time. And with that, we wrap up for today. Do you feel energized and ready to seize control of your retirement savings? Are you set to become the ultimate retirement wizard? If you've gleaned valuable information today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips and tricks on how to multiply your wealth and realize your financial aspirations. So, what are you waiting for? Let's embark on your retirement expedition right now